Yes, there is a lot of crypto bloodshed right now. Yes, things don't look great, despite the fact that there's a slight recovery in progress, you could argue. But despite that, most projects are still down, especially altcoins. So I'll be providing some relief today in the form of 4 projects that are actually pretty good in terms of news and updates and whose charts actually reflect a lot of green. We're counting down 4 altcoin projects that are bucking the trend of this otherwise pretty nasty crypto market. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. All the best of luck to you if you choose to invest. I wish you very, very well. But I'm not a financial or investment advisor, just remember that. And also be reminded that this video, by extension, is not official financial or investment advice. The first project that we're looking at today in this list is Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, ticker ASI. And this actually is a project that represents a massive merger between 3 AI projects that we're already fans of. And as a result, we're also going to see a brand new token, ASI. And the 3 projects that constitute this merger are in the AI top 11 as measured by market cap. They are Fetch.ai, ticker FET, SingularityNet, ticker AGIX, AGIX, and Ocean Protocol, ticker Ocean, OCEAN. And so together they will form the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. And this process has 2 phases. The first phase starts on the 1st of July, and this is going to see the rebranding and the token merge. The SingularityNet and the Ocean Protocol tokens will merge with the FET token. Spot and perpetual trading will now happen under the FET token, and soon you won't be able to deposit or withdraw AGIX and Ocean anymore at all. Then in mid-July, we're going to see the upgrade from the Fetch network to the ASI network. This will also see the deployment of the ASI token across various chains. If you have any of the 3 tokens in self-custody, that's no problem. There's going to be new migration contracts that will let you swap to ASI. You can keep using all your previous wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Also, all hardware wallets will remain compatible. So Ledger, Trezor, or SafePal, all of these are going to accommodate ASI as well. Now, when this news broke, all of these tokens actually surged as high as 55%, but more recently, and what we're currently seeing now, is a further retracement. Nonetheless, July in all likelihood will be a pretty good month for ASI.
Listen up if you're watching this as a trader, because we have a great find for you. We found an exchange that gives you the best of both worlds. Want to trade spot markets on over 400 trading pairs without KYC? Now you can. Want to trade perpetual markets with over 150 trading pairs with KYC? You can also do that. The only exchange that we've seen in the market that lets you do both simple spot trading without KYC and perps trading with KYC globally is ByDFI. And along with the great fees and almost no slippage on trade orders, you also get up to $8,698 in bonuses for trying ByDFI, along with a free month of our money-making Altcoin Buzz Alpha service just for giving ByDFI a try. Again, you are getting our flagship Altcoin Buzz Alpha service free for a month. Check out ByDFI by clicking the link in the description of this video below.
At number 2 on our list here is Injective, ticker INJ, which is a financial app chain built on Cosmos. An app chain specializes in a specific use case, and with Injective here, that is finance. And there are 4 crucial pillars here to the Injective ecosystem. These include liquid staking, where Hydro Protocol is the premier liquid staking protocol on Injective, and their next step is liquid restaking. Then the second pillar we have is derivatives, so perpetual dexes with leverage up to 30x, for example, with Levana Protocol or Theta Nuts Finance. Third is asset management, for example, automated trading and yield generation with Mido Finance. Mido also offers a launchpad. And the final and 4th pillar is stablecoins, with USDE by Athena Labs, or PYUSD by PayPal, or even USDC by Circle. But Injective also offers more than that. So for instance, DEXs, lending, NFT marketplaces, RWAs, real-world assets, and even GameFi. However, what really got the ball rolling was this announcement with Injective and Fetch. This actually had a really big impact on their X account in terms of activity, and the INJ price surged as a result as well. It went from about $19.92 to $23.10 in a single day's time. So that represents a 16% uptick.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.
At number 3 here on our list is Centrifuge, ticker CFG, which is one of the RWA or real-world asset OGs in cryptocurrencies. It specializes in tokenizing real-world fixed income assets, so things like invoices, royalties, and even mortgages, actually. Centrifuge can boast some pretty impressive stats. So, for example, total assets financed stand right now at $607 million. Nearly 1,500 assets have already been tokenized. And year-on-year TVL growth, that's total value locked, is above 32%. Its current TVL is also $292 million. And not too long ago, in April 2024, Centrifuge raised a cool $15 million in a Series A funding round. As you know by now, and as we've been saying a lot here on the channel, RWA is a major narrative and is certainly in the spotlight. BlackRock showed serious interest in RWAs, and they are, of course, one of the biggest asset management firms in the world. And then ever since, we've really seen a price increase for just about all RWA projects in crypto. Centrifuge leaders find themselves back in all kinds of committees and events. There's also a new token vault standard, ERC 7540. This unlocks composability for new use cases. So for example, like RWAs, but also for liquid staking. And it's also going to benefit a new level of DeFi markets for RWAs launching on Centrifuge. And keep in mind that there are predictions out there that the RWA markets by 2030 reach $16 trillion. On the 25th of June, the CFG token surged from about 44 cents to almost 54 cents, or the equivalent of an 18.5% uptick. Okay, and last but not least here, we're looking at number 4 here, Arweave, ticker AR, which is a project that takes us into the DePIN realm. And this one's all about storage. And it offers, for example, permanent storage, which in this case means at least 200 years. This is on the so-called permaweb. Arweave offers storage on a decentralized network, and this makes it a lot cheaper compared to big centralized cloud providers. Here's the big news that hit the Arweave community last week. The AR.io network is live. It helps people access the permaweb. However, that's without broken links or 404 messages. You can compare it to the normal web, but there's one big difference. It stores everything forever. It is a hyper-parallel computer, meaning that it has a parallel processing approach to computing. Its TVL already outranks a chain like Cardano, and in only 3 days, $205 million was pre-bridged. And then 1 week after the launch of AO's pre-bridge, we see a deposited total of $368 million. That makes its TVL larger than Aptos, Near, Cardano, Phantom, and even Algorand. As a result, the AR token jumped from $26 to about $30 in a day's time, or about 15%. This cemented Arweave's place in the DePIN sector. So there we have it, guys. I've covered AI, DePIN, and RWA projects today. These are currently the hottest sectors in crypto as far as really the best narratives that you can find and the most important ones going forward. Let me know if these projects are already on your radar or if there are projects that you're going to want to explore more. They certainly do come highly recommended, so let me know your thoughts about that in the comments below.